One of the best factory AI stories has nothing to do with robots. It's about who got to build. 90 seconds on Toyota's Quiet Lesson. Here's how AI usually arrives in a big company. An executive spots a problem. Consultants scope it. Data scientists build it. IT deploys it. 6 months later, it doesn't solve the problem the frontline actually had. Toyota flipped it. They gave factory floor workers a platform to create their own machine learning models. No data science degree required. The people closest to the work became the builders. The reported result: over 10,000 hours of manual work saved every year. And the solution stuck, because they were made by the same people who use them. The principle underneath it: your frontline workers already know where the inefficiencies are. What they've been missing is the tools and the permission to fix them. So, before commissioning a grand AI project, try the flip. Ask your team which workflows they would hand to AI first, and let them lead. Ownership is what makes adoption real.
That's Oriora. Start simple and go as far as you want.